Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a healthy breakfast smoothie recipe. No dairy milk, no added sugar, no cooking needed. Super healthy and filling breakfast for those busy mornings. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a bowl, I'm adding in 3 tablespoons Jowar flakes. Jowar, also known as sorghum, is a highly nutritious millet. I'm using flattened jowar, also known as jowar poha. I have already shared many videos on jowar. Do check it out to understand more about the health benefits of jowar. Add in some water and let it soak for about 15 minutes. I have a handful or 8 cashew nuts. Add the cashew nuts into a small bowl, add in some water and allow it to soak for about 15 minutes. It's about 15 minutes and the jowar flakes are nicely soaked. The cashew nuts are also soaked. Into my blender jar, I am adding in the soaked jowar flakes. You can also roast the jowar flakes instead of soaking them. Soaking or roasting the jowar flakes helps to release the phytic acid content in them. So it's always ideal to either soak or roast them before consuming it raw. Add in the soaked cashew nuts. For flavor, I am using a small piece of cinnamon. Instead of cinnamon, you can use cardamom powder or seeds of cardamom. 1 tablespoon chia seeds for some healthy omega-3 fats, fiber and protein. 1 tablespoon flax seeds. 3/4 cup water. For sweetness, I am adding in 1 soft medjool dates. Medjool dates are really soft, hence it's easily blendable. Lastly, I am adding in 1 ripe banana. Instead of banana, you can use any seasonal fruit of your choice which you have at hand. Other options are mango, pineapple, papaya, any seasonal fruit of your choice. And now I'm going to blend all this really well into a smoothie consistency. Pour the blended thick and creamy smoothie into a serving glass. Lastly, I am sprinkling in a teaspoon of raw cacao nibs for an added crunch and flavor. Instead of raw cacao nibs, you can use chopped nuts of your choice. And my super healthy and filling breakfast smoothie is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy breakfast smoothie recipe and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.